Here's my attempt at a really bad American-German accent and then my best German accent. So, hallo, ich bin Amerikaner, ich bin neu hier in Deutschland und ich liebe es hier, weißt du? So that's a bad American accent. And then my best German accent's probably still not very good, but hallo, ich bin Amerikaner, ich bin neu hier in Deutschland, ich liebe es hier und ich bin dankbar hier zu sein. The trap a lot of Americans fall into is they don't realize that the whole sound is not in German at all. So we would say Amerikaner, that's how you say American, but they would say Amerikaner.
Guten Tag, ich bin die Sister Lawrence und ich gehe zum Rewe. So, or Railway is what they call it, and that's a grocery store. Ich bin die Sister Lawrence und ich komme aus Utah und ich tanze gern. Yeah. There's your German accent.
I feel like if I try to do a super American accent, it gets southern. It's like, wir werden in der Kirche gehen. And just like messing up all the articles. That would probably be like my worst. And if I was just trying to speak with my best German accent and be like, wir werden in die Kirche gehen, which probably still is not great. It's been a while since I've spoken German, but it's definitely better than the first one.
The German R can be a little hard to do correctly, and so the American R is very like a very hard sound, like are you going to the party? Where in German, party you would say Party. That's a bad example, but like it's a much softer like ah. But there's different kinds of R's too. Like if you're gonna say that's practical in German, that's praktisch. Like the R is like in the throat more than it is like up at the front of the mouth, like rrr. So if you're just learning German, it might sound something like hello, wie geht's? Was magst du heute? Ich, oh man, and then there's the ich, that's the word for I, and you have to kind of like ich, but a lot of people first learning German say like ich or ich, because it's spelled in English, you'd see ICH and it looks like itch or ich, but you'd say it much softer, like ich. Like hi, it's nice to meet you in German, it's like hallo, es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen, and if you're just learning German, you might say that, like, hello, es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Oh, it just hurts to say it that way. There's this one word that every time, I feel like, when I first moved to Germany, and I'd meet someone and they're like, oh, you're learning German? Say this word. And it's the German word for squirrel. And it's Eichhörnchen. But that word is so hard to pronounce when you're first learning it, so it sounds like Eichhörnchen. It just sounds terrible. But on the flip side, it's a little difficult for some German speakers to say the word squirrel, and it comes out sometimes being like Squirrel. And so, like there's the flip side to that word in English and in German. It's a double-edged sword there. If you're just like introducing yourself, like, hallo, ich bin Studentin. Ich studiere an der Universität und ich arbeite auch, something like that, like, hallo, ich bin Studentin an der Universität und ich arbeite auch, I can't even do a bad, I think it just hurts. Ugh, but those are some examples of just, some German in progress, let's call it that.
So if I was a brand new missionary or someone and I wanted to say, hi, I'm a missionary, this is how it would go. Hallo, ich bin Missionar der Kirche Jesu Christi. Wie geht es Ihnen? That wasn't that good, but I tried.